EC300 long reach. This is something I'd probably use instead of an older excavator in the Suez Canal to kind of dredge that ship out in the boom, so you can see. I believe it's 55 feet, you know, from right there at the edge, right the front of the car body, to reach, and then obviously it reached down pretty far. Typically on a 300 class machine, you're going to use more like a 20-ton excavator bucket. So you can see this one's got a work brow on it, ditching bucket, got the holes so you can drain. In Ohio, huh? Neat little machine, not little, but big, but yeah, I think I'd use this instead of what they got going on there right now with that old PC200. Nothing fancy. You just want to be able to scoop, and then when you're scooping, you force the water out, working out the holes right there. Pretty neat though. Walk up close to the machine, you can kind of see it. It's pretty simple. A little more counterweight on this machine than the standard 300, just to support this boom. You can see, yeah, perfect. Right there, all the way out. You can reach, yeah, pretty good capacity too. Nice heavy-duty Volvo undercarriage. Rollers, idlers, segments. You see it. This takes care of your rollers, obviously. All of them, actually. This one's just going to have a standard pump on it. He's got a backup camera, pretty neat. So it's your pattern changer control. If you want to change your control styles, you can do that. You just flip the lever. This is for your battery on and off. Some machines have a master disconnect. See, the purpose of this machine is just to get out further and longer, you know, down banks. You know, like if you are dredging up next to the Ever Given or something like that, you can dig down a lot deeper than the standard machine. Like right here, you know, it's got the shorter boom and the quick coupler. So this one is meant to do something like dredging, ditching. I've seen them with you know, forestry mowers on the end, you know, special applications for Ford. I haven't seen many, but some people will do it. Okay, let's see if we can climb up in here. Not bad. Bad cab arrangement. It's actually really comfortable. You know, sit on and operate. So, close the door. You can kind of see down there. Got a little finger in there, but yeah, so you can see how far out it goes. I mean, we're at max reach. Well, you know, a few more. There you go. You know, so you scoop the floor, or if you're digging next to that big old ship in the Suez. So you can see that. I'm on kind of uneven ground, that's why it's rocking, but you know, just looking at here, you look up in the skylight, so you look up in the air. I mean, look how much boom's up there, boom and stick. Pretty crazy, but I mean, just think if you're digging down, you know, how far down in the ground you can get. So, not picking on that little Komatsu, but I think they need something a little bit bigger out there, you know, to help out the whole scenario. We'll go back out again and kind of show you. Like I said, I'm on like a little ridge right now, so I'm bouncing a little bit, but really smooth hydraulics in this Volvo. You know, these do come from the factory as long reaches, so you know, it's not a aftermarket front. Like I say, yeah, I mean, this is very precise, you know, very